Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a hold of TJ Hunt's 488 GT3 build that we did for SEMA. We're going to be PPFing it here at R Spec, but with a little twist. Let's get into today's video. Alright, so over the last couple of days, we've been taking the 488 apart, getting this thing PPF'd, and getting it ready to deliver back to TJ. So one thing that TJ doesn't know is that we have a little trick up our sleeve. And if TJ, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I know we had to do it to you. I'm here with Abe. He's the lead tech here at R Spec. We're gonna talk about what we're doing to the car right now. And then we're gonna get into the mischievous action of delivering TJ's 488 for Christmas. So currently this is the employee of the month. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? yeah. All right, Abe. It's I know it's Friday and we want to get out of here, but where are we at with the 488? We need a status report on it.
We pretty much got the whole sides done, both sides done, and the rear bumper. We need to work on the front bumper and the roof and the trunk, but we're pretty much like on time schedule.
We're making it time. We got a lot of cars coming in next week. We got the 997 that's getting ready for delivery. We got a blackout package that just got finished right now. Got this Bronco that just got fully PPF. I don't know if you guys saw this on our Instagram, but we fully restored this thing about a year ago. It was back here for its daily checkup, and I convinced him to do a full PPF on the front end. But anyways, next week we have a Viper coming in for full body PPF. So this thing needs to get done. So as Abe said that he got pretty much the sides done. Now, TJ got one rock chip on the roof, so we touched it up. Now we have to wet sand it, polish it to make it smooth, and then we're gonna finish PPFing the roof. We gotta take off the canards on the bumper so we can PPF that, and we gotta take off the bumper so we can take off the bolts, the bolt heads on this, and PPF them into the bolts on top. So I mean, there's still a lot left, but we're making really good progress. We should be done here early next week. But while Abraham is getting this thing finished, we have a little bit of plan up our sleeve. I feel like it's tradition right about this time that we wrap presents. And since it's so close to Christmas, we are a wrap shop, but only right to do the following actions.
Alright guys, so we're here at R Spec. I've never learned to do PPF, but why not learn on my homie's car TJ's and learn how to PPF on a Ferrari? Why not? Let's go. All you need is a squeegee, a lot of soap and water, just like that. You got to make sure you rub it just like that. Get that water just like that, right? Is that what you're teaching me the ways over here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see? And then you have to make those sound noises. And that's it, look at that. Look at that. Dude. That's it? Get on that. Look at that. Water's coming out.
He should know.
Look at that. Hey. Come on. It comes natural. It comes natural. Look at that. DJ, look at that, dude. Got your back, baby. Oh. R Spec. You gonna hire me as your apprentice? What's up guys, good morning. We're here at R Spec and I got a little surprise. I brought something down. We're wrapping TJ's Ferrari. Well, we're PPFing it, right? But it wouldn't be Christmas if we wouldn't have some, I mean, we're our wrap shop, some wrapping paper, right? So got a little surprise, so let's go to it. All right, guys, another night here at R Spec. Pretty exciting stuff going on over here. It's cool because I get to go SOS Customz and then I do my night job over here at R Spec. But it's really fun. We have a special project for my boy TJ, and we're getting his Ferrari wrapped up, or PPF. We have the wing. We ended up re-clearing it again after SEMA to just make it even nicer. But you can see it's like glass. We PPF'd it as well, so this thing is ready. And we have the car pretty much ready. Everything is already PPF'd. We have to do obviously the final detail, kind of wipe down glass, put the wing on as you can see back there. But Oscar is gonna be working on a little Christmas wrapping. I put him to Christmas wrapping duties. So I picked up all this stuff from Walmart. Shout out to Walmart. Hey, need a sponsor, hook us up. Oscar will go ahead and get this thing wrapped up with the boys to surprise TJ. He won't know with him. It's been a while since he got pranked, so I think it's gonna be a good one. And why not? It's Christmas, it's gonna be pretty cool. So without further ado, we'll get this thing wrapped up, ready for TJ, and let's check out his reaction.
Okay, so now that the 488 is fully PPF'd, me and Abraham have a little surprise
For the boy TJ Hunts. It's
Yeah,
Christmas, no?
Yeah, it's Christmas coming up, so we do have a surprise for him. He wanted a wrap, so we're gonna give it to him. No, did he?
Pause, but yeah, we're gonna give it to him. Let's go. Okay, here we are the next morning, and this thing is just about ready to turn in. Last thing I gotta do is put the emblem on, and then TJ should be here in about 10 minutes. Now, we didn't go super crazy on wrapping this thing, and also at the same time, we drove it and probably not meant to be driven like this. And I doubt TJ's gonna wanna drive it like this anyway, so we should be turning it off right after he sees it. It's just a little gag. Put the emblem on, get set up. He should be here within 5 minutes.
Dude, I thought about it. I was like, I guess they could put the PPF down and then they could literally like put any color on top. You guys did to my Supra years ago.
Yeah. Hey, Chrysler.
I should have known. I should have freaking known. I should have known. I was just telling Oscar, I was like, honestly, the car in white would be kind of sick.
It is cool, man. I definitely like can't go wrong with the white Ferrari either. I think white on anything looks good, but I mean, it's just a little something.
I mean, we thought about so many different colors for this car. I wanted to do BRG so bad. So bad. Imagine having the M4 and this.
Oh, that would be pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie.
But the red though, I mean that's the thing. Is like now that we PPF'd it, but you can still wrap on top.
Oh,
of
yeah,
it,
definitely.
which at some point in time might actually end up happening.
Yeah, or livery. I mean, there's a lot of things that can be done with it, you know. Are you ready?
Yeah, you want to unwrap it?
Yeah, let's unwrap it.
Yeah, I asked my dad for a Ferrari and he got me one. Thanks, Dad.
All right, Teach, it's all good to go. You unwrapped. Christmas came early for you, buddy.
I finally get to drive this car. I haven't driven it like at all. It's been like 7 months.
Since it's been down, huh? Since the
like,
whole
started the project, yeah.
Oh.
So I'm excited. I'm still nervous to drive it though. It needs an alignment terribly. I still want to like triple check a few things. I don't know like what's gonna vibrate certain things loose, so it's still like a little scared when I drive it. But like time has finally come. All the money we paid to get it.
Yeah.
You can finally be like, all right, it's real. All right, well that's a wrap. Big shout out to R Spec. If anybody needs anything, when it's PPF, whether it's paint correction, whether it's vinyl wrap, whether it's powder coating of wheels, window tints, let R Spec take care of the job for you. We are taking in everybody and finally getting a really good flow of customers, which is super cool to see as we're only 3 months old. So Ferrari knocked out of the books. I have a few more projects I'm gonna be bringing by next week, keeping the boys busy. We'll see you guys next time.